Before we jump right into it, I ask that you consider subscribing. It seems that 99.7% of my viewers aren't subscribed. Have you ever seen worse? If you like the content and want to see more car videos, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. I don't do boring vlog style videos that last over 10 minutes just for ad revenue. I get right into it and take pride in actually editing my videos. So consider subscribing. It's free. Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and this is my new heads-up display I put on my S550 Mustang. Now, I don't know about you all, but I'm kind of jealous that the Camaro has some pretty good tech on the 2LT or 2SS models. They have the cool ambient lighting and the heads-up display that looks straight out of a fighter jet. Now, I already addressed the ambient lighting for my Mustang on the last video, so go check it out. I'll leave a link on the top right corner of the screen if you want to go watch that. But anyway, in order to upgrade the tech on the Mustang, I needed a heads-up display. Now, there are a lot of heads-up displays out there on Amazon, but a lot of them are cheap junk. The one most people know about is the one where you stick it to your dash and it reflects off the windshield. Now, to me, this looks pretty tacky considering you have to install a reflective strip on your windshield for maximum visibility. I wanted one that looks more OEM like the ones you see on like the Ford Edge or something like that, where it's a retractable or flippable screen that displays all of your info. So when I came across this Wii T900 for under 30 bucks, I said what the heck and bought it. This heads-up display has all the nice features like a tachometer, battery voltage, and even a compass. Now, the only thing I was really looking forward was for the tachometer and of course the digital speedo. It's so much easier to glance at the speedo now on the highway, now that it's right there across the hood of the car, as opposed to having to look all the way down past my steering wheel to look at the speed. Because let's be honest, on the Mustang, you have to look all the way down to the analog speedometer, where your brain has to estimate the speed based off the increment ticks just like a watch. This takes a lot longer than just glancing down to your hood and seeing your speed in actual digital numbers. But anyway, it also looks pretty cool. I personally have never seen anyone put a heads-up display on the S550 Mustang, so it kind of feels cool knowing you're probably never going to see another one like this. That is, of course, if you watch this video and buy one for yourself. Now, in my last video, I said that I was kind of like an interior freak and that I like dressing up the inside of the car because that is what you see while driving. I just wanted to add on to that and say that where I live, there are like a million Mustangs out there. Everyone knows someone who has a Mustang, really, which is kind of weird considering I recently went to Dallas for a concert and a mini vacation, and I noticed there were not very Mustangs at all. Here you see a Mustang like every 10 seconds. Over there, it's maybe like one every 10 minutes. So what I'm trying to say is that here, where Mustangs are very common, you're bound to see a few that look pretty much the exact same as yours. Now, I want my car or cars to be unique, so I add on a bunch of accessories and aesthetic mods so that my car can be different from others out there. Some people may think that adding mods like these are tacky or ricer, but to me, I like personalizing my car so that it looks cool and it has its own flavor. It seems like there's a bunch of dudes out there that claim that they're car guys but drive like a stock V6 Camaro or something like that. I know some people that don't even have the coolest cars out there, but they have a few tasteful mods that other car guys can look at and appreciate. Whenever they see that car, even from afar, they're like, oh, that's Bob or whatever, and they know immediately because of the personalization of the car, whether that's through a loud exhaust or through aesthetic mods. I don't know about you all, but I just don't want to seem like, oh look, another ruby red Mustang. I want to be recognized by others like, oh, that's that dude with that sick Mustang, you know? Thanks for listening to my TED Talk. And if you want to check out this product for yourself, there's a link down in the description. Usually I show the product and go over every little feature and how to set it up and everything, but I'm trying out something a bit different where I give my opinion on little things in an attempt to seem more relatable and not just some dude that makes videos on car products. Plus, this heads-up display installs super easy. All you have to do is plug it in the OBD2 port under the dash, and that's literally it. So please let me know in the comments what you think of the heads-up display, or what you think of these more personal videos where I talk more about other things that relate to the topic instead of me just explaining the features of the products. Make sure you go like and subscribe for more car videos, and I guess that's better for this video. See you guys later. Peace.